Next, problems that may occur during operation and the solutions. Machine alarm description. When any of the following errors are displayed on the screen, please solve the errors with the corresponding solutions. Error 1. Too low battery voltage. Solution: charge the battery. Mowing motor overcurrent. Solution: adjust the height of the blades and then restart. Error 3. Driving motor overcurrent. Solution: move away and restart. Error 4. Dangerous lifting. Solution: in 5 seconds the machine will recover automatically, and over 5 seconds it will report error 4, and then it needs to be removed and restarted. Error 5. Angle signal. Solution: in 5 seconds the machine will recover automatically, and over 5 seconds it will report error 5. It then needs to be restarted. Error 7. The boundary line signal is not detected or is lost suddenly when the machine starts up, according to the working schedule, or when the machine moves along the boundary line, such as moving homeward. Solution: restart the machine. Abnormality: the machine cannot be started. Possible reasons. 1. For a new machine, please check if the fuse is installed. Solution: install fuse. 2. For a machine that has been used for a long time, please check if the fuse is blown out or the service life of the battery expired. Solution: change the fuse or battery. Abnormality: mower goes out of the boundary line. Possible reason: boundary line signal is abnormal due to unstable voltage. Solution: ensure normal supply of the charging station. Abnormality: the mower keeps moving backward and fails to move forward. Possible reasons: the protective rubber in the front is offset and pushes the collision sensor. Solution: flap the rubber to reset the collision sensor. 2. The collision sensor in the front of a mower fails after frequent collisions. Solution: change the collision sensor. Abnormality: the mower fails to return to the charging station. Possible reasons: 1. No signals from the boundary line. Solution: check the boundary line. 2. Caused by abnormal operation of the charging station. Solution: please check the operating state of the charging station and re-debug it. 3. Lay out the boundary line or install the charging station unreasonably. Solution: lay out the boundary line or install the charging station again, following the instructions in the user's manual. Abnormality: mower fails to charge on the charging station. Possible reasons: the copper bar is covered by dirt, or the charging station is improperly placed, causing the copper head not to contact well with the copper bar on the charging station. Solution: shut down the power and clean the charging station. Abnormality: the disc blade on the mower is broken. Possible reason: caused by stones, branches, and other foreign matter on the lawn. Solution: clear the lawn and change the blade disc. Abnormality: the charging station is loose or displaced. Possible reasons: the mower runs into the charging station during working. Solution: fix the charging station in a proper position and place an obstacle on the lawn side near the charging station to avoid it. Abnormality: short working time. Possible reasons: 1. The grass on the lawn is too high and thick. Solution: use traditional mower to clear up the lawn first. 2. The battery is not fully charged. Solution: recharge the battery. 3. The battery performance declines after long time service. Solution: change the battery. Abnormality: mower cannot move on smooth ground. Possible reason: the wheels of the mower are mainly designed for use on lawns and are not suitable for smooth ground. Moving on smooth ground is not recommended. Solution: carry the mower on smooth ground. 2. The inside driving device is damaged. Solution: replace the inside driving device. Abnormality: the LCD of the mower fails to display. Possible reasons: 1. Poor contact due to loose connecting wires. Solution: reconnect. 2. Damaged by strong light due to long-term exposure to the blazing sun outdoors. Solution: change the display panel. 3. The interior circuit is damaged. Solution: change the control panel. Abnormality: weak climbing capacity. Possible reasons: there is a plus 10-degree angle allowance for the slope angle of slopes where the mower can only climb or the power is insufficient. Bypass the greater angle slopes by boundary lines. Abnormality: remote control distance becomes shorter. Possible reason: the battery of the remote control is flat. Solution: change the battery. Abnormality: no light indicators on the remote control. Possible reasons: 1. Battery failure. Solution: change the battery. Other accidental damages. Solution: change the remote control. Abnormality: noisy mower. Possible reasons: the blade disc is loose after long time rotation. Solution: check if the blade disc is loose and fasten it with a screwdriver if necessary. 2. The blade disc or the blade is damaged. Solution: change the blade disc or the blade. 3. The screw cap and motor mount are improperly fixed. Solution: screw the cap to adjust. Abnormality: mower fails to avoid obstacles. Possible reasons: 1. The front wheels are stuck. Solution: remove the dirt on the wheels. The collision sensor is damaged. Solution: change the collision sensor.